Brixton boy, man, I back my shank. That backman's friend, man, I back man back. That bang for the gang, man, bang. Black man, Batman, trap and bang. Who's on piss, cause I want your heart. No one ain't hard, yeah, no one ain't bad. No one ain't ready for the roadside flow. If you don't know, let me take man back. Gang just pull up and violence. Back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this green goblin sort of Forrest Gump-ish looking spinach hair. First things first, this hair was inspired by one of like my favorite like hair gurus here on YouTube. Her name is Lakihair. She done this exact hairstyle. I was totally inspired by her, so I'm not gonna take any credit for the hair. But first things first, what you're gonna need to achieve this hair is bleach powder, 40 volume developer, a big tub of conditioner, and crazy color in the color pine green. So the bundles that I use are from Lakihair. I'm using the water wave hair in the inches 20, 22, 24, 26 with an 18-inch frontal. To start off, you're gonna need to bleach the hair. How I got hair to be like all different sorts of green is I basically just bleached the hair waywardly. If you don't bleach your hair properly, you're gonna need to do it in like one wayward manner. So the way I was bleaching the bundles here, I wasn't making sure that I got all the pieces of hair, like I didn't. I was just like bleaching it like anyhow, so that some bits would bleach and then some bits would stay brown and then some bits would bleach but only to a little bit, because I didn't want my whole hair to be like one solid green. I wanted highlights and I wanted low light. I didn't process it to a blonde, I processed it to a light brown. What processing it to a light brown does is like, I don't know about you guys, but I'm not no fucking motherfucking yardie or one Congolese auntie that be walking on with fucking bright green hair. Like, I don't have time for that level of loudness, okay? I wanted a subtle green. Let it process for like 7 to 10 minutes, like at the most. Because if you bleach it to a blonde and you put green hair dye on blonde, it's just gonna be like Henry in the back, right here. You're gonna look like Henry. You're actually gonna look like Henry. You wanna bleach the frontal as well, and what I've done is I bleached everything from the roots as well. You want to make sure that you bleach the knots on the frontal so that your frontal looks natural as possible. Like, bitch, you need to fucking deceive these niggas and tell her, is it a wig? No, it's not. That shit's going from her scalp, bitch. Come on. After that, I let the hair air dry. So I made the hair into a wig, because you know a bitch makes her own wigs. We don't have time to be doing fuck off. How much is this thingy? 150 pounds. 150 pounds for someone to make me a wig when I could just be sitting here and doing it myself. I really don't have time. These fucking hedges are fucking cheeky as fuck. 150 pounds for a wig. For a wig, not including the bundles. Bruh. Made the wig myself. I placked the frontal to making sure that we got the scalp effect going on or whatever. So when it comes to the dyeing process, what I done, honey, is I got a big tub of conditioner and I emptied out the tub of conditioner. So the ratio is basically going to be 60% conditioner and 40% hair dye. The reason why I also use conditioner is because it dilutes the hair dye. The hair dye is very pigmented and bright. So I basically wanted to dilute it so it wouldn't be as pigmented, because like I said, I wanted a subtle green. I didn't want to fuck off, I'm here, look at me green. So even when I was dyeing the hair, I was dyeing the hair waywardly. This is just a wayward tutorial. I wanted some bits to be like green and then some bits to still be like dark brown and some bits to be green, and then so like when I wash it out, it would just be like you have highlights, you have lowlights. I just really didn't want the whole of my hair to look one solid green color, because I feel like that's very flat and that's very boring and we're not basic bitches over here. So when I was dyeing the frontal, ladies and gentlemen, try and not get the fucking dye on the lace, like, because you know the minute you dye your lace, yeah, you're walking around with green lace, your wig automatically looks synthetic. You know when once you dye your lace, the wig is a hat. It's a hat. It's a hat. You wear a hat. If you want to dye your bundles waywardly, dye your bundles waywardly. When it comes to the frontal, make sure you guys are careful. Make sure you guys take your time. Like, don't be in a rush. Don't make your wig when you're in a rush, because bitch is gonna come out looking like a hat. Because your hair dye is diluted in so much conditioner, it takes a little bit longer for the color to stick to the hair. So don't be in a motherfucking rush, bitch. Like, no. Calm the fuck down, okay? So basically, to maintain the curls and how I styled the hair, I basically hot combed my hair into a parting. I saw Aaliyah J use a hot comb and I went and I bought that shit and it changed my life. Like, yes. Yeah, I literally used a styling spray, a leave-in conditioner, oil, and a mousse. And yeah, this is the
the end result. So like I said before, this hair is from Lakihair. All the links are going to be in the description box below. I really hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully it was helpful. Let me know what colors you want me to do next. Let me know what hair tutorials you want me to do next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Brixton boy, man, I back my shine. That Batman's friend, man, I Batman back. That bang for the gang, man, bang. Black man, Batman, trap and bang. Who's on piss, cause I want your heart. No one ain't hard, yeah, no one ain't bad. No one ain't ready for the roadside flow. If you don't know, let me take man back. Gang just pull up on violence.